My name is Dr. Struan Coleman. I'm the team physician for the New York Mets baseball team, and I'm an attending physician at the Hospital for Special Surgery in sports medicine. And we're here today with Jeff McNeil, a member of the New York Mets baseball team. Tell me a little bit about yourself growing up as an athlete. What sports did you play, and how'd you get into baseball, how that happened?
I've been playing baseball since I was 3, 4 years old, t-ball. Played a bunch of different sports growing up. Played baseball, basketball, golf, soccer. Was always, moving around, very athletic. Wanted to play golf professionally. That was kind of my goal.
Oh, really? Yeah.
In high school, I played in the United States Junior Amateur in 2009.
Amazing.
So I wanted to do that, but just didn't really work out. Wasn't getting a bunch of college scholarships, so baseball ended up. I started playing baseball again. I played high school golf, so I was drafted in the 12th round.
Right.
That was just a dream come true, and to be picked by the Mets was awesome, and it's been a good career so far.
Right. And it's amazing because you came up. You came up on the big league side just last year.
Yeah.
And it's unbelievable that you then pretty quickly went to the All-Star game.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about you as a person, your work ethic. Like, what got you to that place where you are now?
I've had to overcome a lot of obstacles. Always putting in hard work. Work extremely hard in the off season. I think the one thing that really got me over the top was, getting in really good shape.
And then just to kind of take you back to my first experience with you, when I saw you for your hip, which was back in 2016. And tell me a little bit about that injury to your left hip. When did you start to notice it, and how did that start to affect your play?
First sports hernia in 2013.
Okay.
Got it repaired, but then it came back in early 2016. It came back,
Okay.
and we're like, all right, what's causing these? And you saw a torn hip labrum and an impingement in my hip. So okay, I think this is causing it, and we got that taken care of, and it's been great ever since. My surgery went great. I had to stay overnight in the hospital, and everyone was super courteous and respectful, and they took care of me and gave me anything I needed.
And did you notice after your hip surgery that you had sort of better motion, or were things that were better in batting or playing the game, or did you just feel like you were back to where you were before the injury?
I think I just felt like I was back to where I was before the injury.
Right.
When I did come back, though, I did play the best baseball of my life, and that was in 2018, 2017, 2018.
Right.
Which got me to the big leagues. Which got me to the big leagues. So, the surgery went great.
Yeah,
recovered great from it, and hopefully,
that's great.
Keep playing well.
Well, and so here we are at this new West Side Center, HSS West Side Center, and what we've tried to do here, I think, and the hospital's mission really is always to obviously get people back in the game, provide the best service for people and the best recovery for people. To help them, not just professional athletes like yourself, but for everybody that wants to compete at any level.
The center's awesome. Just looking around, in the weight room right now, it's pretty spectacular. And it's nice to have a place you can go, and see everyone. You can see a doctor, and then you can get your therapy and get it all taken care of in one spot.
So when you think about all the sports that you play and that you've played in, and when you think about baseball in particular, what do you love about the game of baseball?
It's a kid's game. You go out and you have fun, and I love being competitive. I'm a super competitive person, so you got 9 guys on the field, just battling, and just love it. Just a great game to play.
So what is it like being part of the New York Mets and being part of that culture living in New York?
I've been lucky enough to be in the system, for 6 years, so I kind of saw what New York was all about, when I first got drafted, and but it's been great so far. The fans are super passionate, they want to win, and just playing in such a big city, and, it's been great, and hopefully it can be a New York Met for a long time, and hopefully we can bring a championship to this city.
Well, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.